To install Python, go to your web browser, type Python, go on this first link, go on downloads, click on the latest version, click to open the file. Tick those two boxes, customize installation, next, click on install Python 3.40 for all users, check the browser path and install. Now Python is installed. Let's close this. Now let's verify whether it is installed properly or not. Go on command prompt, open your command prompt, write python version. Your Python is successfully has been installed.